This is the zone where every girl shines. Be you, do you.
Okay. Okay. Welcome back to the Little Ladies Lounge. I'm Leila.
And I'm Zhalay.
And today we will be doing fruit shish kebab, lemonade. And first we're going to get right into the video. Okay, so the first thing we had is our is our fruit. Yeah, I have to finish my other orange, but that's sad. But first, we're gonna pour the lemonade in the fruit this time. Wait, no, don't do it yet. Cause first we gotta take this off. Wait, I need to put my strawberries. We're gonna put, it's disgusting. If you don't want to do this, don't do it. Just cut it. Yeah. All right, now we have our fruit mixed. We're just gonna, even though these are oranges, we're still gonna wash our fruit. So I'm gonna go first. Should I put soap in it? Yeah. We should just put water in it. All right. So I'm gonna go first. You're just gonna move it around, kind of. So I'm gonna let this sit real quick. You go. Not mine. Okay, I'm throwing all the water out. Now you're gonna want to get enough napkins to dry them up. All right, no, first you're gonna get a napkin and then take all your food, pour it on the napkin. All right, so this is the part where you take the napkin, you put the fruit on and the napkin and you just tap it like that. To make it dry. Now we're gonna do this. Gonna open it and then look what we're gonna do. We're gonna check the fruit because I see something on the fruit. It's not a bun though. Okay, now we're gonna slide the napkin and put all the food back in the bowl. Wait, so one thing that I will do, sometimes it will be quick for her, but I took all these white pieces off. Oh, that's a part of the orange hun bun. But yeah, okay. But there's not that many pieces, so this will take quick. Okay, good for you. Okay, so she's already eating the fruit. This one has a dent in it. It does. It looks like it, but it's good. I need to do my other one because I have another. These oranges are so good. Look, this is so satisfying. It's fun. I can literally see the orange. I mean, the juice. Hey, guess what? We're gonna do something with these. Yeah, it's gonna be really good. Trust. Not the bombastic side eye. Now we're gonna get some. We're gonna get us some ice. I'm sorry, guys. I didn't. Don't use all the ice now. I'm not. Just barely any ice. Yeah, because you kind of used all. I didn't, though. Here you go. There. You can take your ice, but clearly you don't want to, so I guess she's not having ice. See, we like to eat the ice. It's so good. Girl, do you want ice or not? I said, do you want ice? That's why I left it open. But you're not having ice. All right, now. She had to stay away from me because I'm almost done. Oh, no. Okay, I'm done. Now put it in the bowl. Now we're going to pour our lemonade. Yeah, we're going to pour half of the lemonade in. Wait. Oh, we forgot about that. Okay, never mind. They're bread. It's a thing. Come on. Wait. So now we're going to drink half of it. Yeah. Now we're going to pour it in. Gonna pour some lemonade on our fruit. All right, now I'm gonna. It looks so yummy. We need honey. Yeah, we're gonna put that after. I know. Just you can't reach honey. Baby, let me see. Oh, just stop right there with Betty. Are you okay? All right. Oh, we just said it at the same time. Okay, so now I'm gonna take our shish kebab, and first the shish kebab. We're gonna but the chicken one, the grilled chicken one, is so good. First, we're gonna see the strawberry. I'm gonna take my orange first, but anyway, if you don't have enough strawberries, that's okay. Then just use the rest of your oranges. Because we only have 5. Because I don't have that much. We have a lot of oranges, so we might eat the rest of them. Yeah, by ourselves. So, exactly. Shit! Just screen the TV went back to the regular thing. Okay, this is my last strawberry I have. Okay, now my shish kebab. Shish kebab. That is so good. Wait, we have to melt the honey. Well, even though it's melting already, like, that doesn't make any sense, but like, alright, now I'm just gonna put the rest of my oranges on top because I think you did the anyway, but I didn't. Oh wait, or now I'm gonna dip in the lemon. Now we're gonna coat the thing with the lemonade from the shish kebab. The shish kebab lemonade. Ooh, I'll get that. Can I get this the whole lemonade? Okay, my shish kebab needs 50 more. Yeah? Wait, so now what we do with the strawberry piece? Take it, and then my shish kebab. Okay, dame auto. Da da do do da da do. Okay. Da da do do da do do do. Dame auto. Okay. Grr. Okay. I'm literally pushing the fruit up when I'm so. Oh my god! I'm almost done. But can you get me some napkins? Oh, I did it. That's sad, Zhalay. Y'all tell her it's sad, right? Put that in the comments if you think it's sad. All right, mine's is finished. Now we gotta do something. Mine is not finished. The rest of the orange that are in the ice and the lemonade, eat them. Look at how much pesticides that was in yours. Okay, mine's is almost done. We need to warm the honey and then put it in the freezer, right? The freezer. You know what? I'm cooking mine's already. I can't touch it. You gotta ask me another. No, we're not warming up the honey. That's not how you're doing. That's not how you do it. See this? This is beauty right here. No, you could do yours. What, you don't want honey? I can do it. Anyways, you can go first. I don't want to go first. Go to where? I don't want to get in trouble. It's honey. I get it. You just want me to get in trouble and you don't. No, I want you to go first. You're not gonna go second though. Yes, I am. I peak promise you. Watch this. Guys, watch this. Go first. My god, that looks so good. Look at this, y'all. Look at this. Oh, yeah. Alright, here you go. I'm gonna put mine in the freezer. How do you gonna put it in the freezer? We should just put our bowls in the freezer. Yeah. We need to let this freeze. How? We could just put this? You gotta. No, it's dripping. Oh, how do I do that? I'm eating mine. Is it honey shish kebab? It's too good. All right, the honey. All right, we're just gonna eat it. All right, ready? 3, 2. Oh wait, let me. 3, 2, 1. It's good, y'all. Yeah, this is so good. You should try it at home. You should try this at home. That's so good. Try this. You should put this. No, Mom. Ew! We're gonna have to clean this big mess. That's why I put mine on a napkin. So good. I'm so about in it. Ready? I'm so about in. It's so good. So good, y'all. We put honey on it, lemonade. This is like that's right, so good. But when you put honey on this, Lord Jesus, I could eat this all day. Blah blah blah. All right, guys, we're almost finished. But yeah, I only have 2 left. She has. I have no idea. Yeah, it's so good. This last one is so sweet. Woo! None left. I have like more. She had less than me, and I have none left. So, but these last ones, we're gonna make another video, and we're gonna do kind of the same thing, but without the strawberries. Without oranges too. Without oranges. Do it, chicken. Bye, guys.